Well, so the topic will be, we will talk about fruits. And imagine that you're a consultant. Does everybody knows the company called Apple?
Yes.
Yeah. So you have Steve Jobs on the phone calling and ask you that they fed up with the name Apple and they would like to change it for some new fruit, and they also need a marketing strategy from you. So the question goes to Andrey Klymenko.
Ladies and gentlemen, of course it's very important to have a good brand name of your company. The brand name is what is associated in minds of your customers with your product, with your added value that you deliver to your customers. And this is especially true for companies like Apple, Microsoft, Oracle, Hewlett-Packard, any high-tech company that brings new ideas, new stuff to the market. Talking about Apple and they planned rebranding, if I was consultant of that company and was talking to Steve Jobs, I would suggest not to change the name Apple. First of all, because Apple by itself has a lot of value and a lot of people knows what Apple is. Of course, they had some mistakes like with the Macintosh products, and they lost market in the operating systems, but they were successful in some gadgets like iPods, and now with telecommunication devices, iPhone. So they recovered their brand name, and Apple by itself, I think, worth billions of dollars, and to rebrand the Apple would cost another $1 billion to do it. So in the net, you will see that it doesn't make much sense to rebrand Apple. But in general, marketing is what makes business growing and brings value to the company. So thank you for the question.
Thank you, Andrey. It was a tough question.